The very first time I had minced meat spaghetti, I fell in love. And it's not bad to fall in love with food, right? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I actually prepare my minced meat spaghetti. Very easy recipe, and trust me, if you prepare this very well, you can actually wow your guests, your family, your friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cassandra. If you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. So I want you to hit that subscribe button right now. Do not forget to also like and share this video. So let's get started. So for this recipe, we would just need basic ingredients, very simple. Of course, we have our pasta. We're having spaghetti today. And I have some onions. I also have some garlic cloves and some ginger. I have my tomato puree here. I have some fresh tomatoes that I would like to also add, and this patache or bell pepper. Yeah. If you've seen one of my recent YouTube videos, you noticed that I talked about meal prepping ideas. This is actually one of the meal prep ideas that you can use. I have already sliced bell peppers and carrots here. So to make this meal is so easy for me. If you have this, trust me, you're good to go when it comes to vegetables. I also have some coriander leaves for garnishing. So any leaf that you would like to use is also fine. Right now, we're going to slice anything sliceable, and I'm just going to cut my onions. I love a lot of onions in my meal, so just add onions according to the way that you like it. How can I forget our minced meat? So you can actually make your minced meat at home. Just have a very good food processor. Get your meat, your beef in the market, and then process it yourself. But I have this one from Ecologist Not Shirt, and this is a very good product. I've actually used this twice, and I like it. Let's crush our garlic. Okay, so my hands are a bit sticky, so I need to wash my hands. So our fresh tomatoes. So we have, and now we're going to cut the pepper. For our coriander leaves, I'm going to wash this right now. Washed. Take out this part, this, and we have our vegetable. Okay, so our water, as you can see, is boiling. So we're going to add a little bit of salt. Our spaghetti will go in, and we'll allow this to boil. So while that is coming to a boil, we are going to start with the star of the show, which is making our minced meat sauce. I'm going to add some cooking butter, unsalted butter here, some olive oil, a little bit of salt. Our onions will go in here, and our garlic and ginger. Stir this together. Now we're going to add a little bit of the pepper and fresh tomato. So allow this to saute for about 1 minute before we add in our minced meat. Now we're going to add our minced meat. So cover and allow to cook for some time. Once your pasta looks like this, not totally ready and also not hard, if you get what I'm trying to say, this is how you get the perfect spaghetti texture. So we're going to sieve this, but remember, do not dispose the pasta water because we'll need it while cooking. It's very important. So right now I'm just going to take this off the heat and sieve this out. This I'm going to be using paprika. Add some paprika in there, some nutmeg, oregano, some curry powder, and seasoning powder, just a little bit, and we're going to stir this together. A very quick meal prepping hack that I'm going to share with you is if you love pasta and even any other kind of meal, this minced meat sauce that I have just prepared is a perfect meal prepping hack. So once this is ready this way, you can put this into some plates with very good covers and keep in the refrigerator. So anytime you want to make something like this, you don't necessarily have to start from scratch. You can just bring this out of the refrigerator and you are good to go. And the moment it's looking this way, we are going to pour in our tomato puree and allow this to cook properly before we add in our spaghetti. So I'm just going to pour this in here. Can you take a look at that? So we're going to stir this together. We're going to cover. Guys, the aroma from this is amazing. So take a look at that. I rarely taste my meals. That's one fun fact. It's time for us to add our spaghetti. And take a look at that. So just put in the spaghetti here. Oh, don't fall.
So what you need to do at this point is just to stir this together. Make sure that the minced meat sauce is well incorporated in the spaghetti. The spaghetti is not sticky, so this is exactly the kind of texture that you want for your minced meat spaghetti. This is so lovely, guys. You need to try this recipe out. People are going to love it and they're going to ask you, how did you make this? Of course, we're not going to forget our vegetables. I added some carrots, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and green bell pepper, and then I topped it off with some coriander leaves for just some garnishing, and our meal is ready. This is a very simple meal and it is so tasty. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Tell me in the comments if you love this recipe. Like and share this video and just give this a try. You're really going to enjoy this. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye bye.